this is Rebecca from eSky, and today we come up a new dual lens car cameras for you. And you can see there's a Sony 335 lens, so it can record your car front situation at 4K high resolution. You can adjust the angle, and the videos will be 1080 pixels. If you want to be a higher spec recording, you can add in the rear cameras, a 2-key rear cameras. So if 3 lenses working together, you can get a 2-key, 1080 pixels, and 2-key. So 3-way recording at the same time, and the video's image will be showing on the screen in 3 split screen for you. So very convenient. And the screen is 2-inch for you. You can adjust the setting by pressing the button, like changing the resolution, or you can choose just showing the front and cabin lens. And also you can add in the GPS. This model is an external GPS, so you can get a faster locating and the signal will be more stable. If you add in the GPS functions, you can check out your driving routine on the media player. Of course, you can also add in the popular Wi-Fi features. With that, you can get a connection with your phone app, and then you can get the live viewing and also download the image directly to your phone app. So it's a very convenient and high spec cameras in the current market. And these 3 lens specs can be a very high spec in current car cam market. So if you're looking for some high-end and some interesting features car cameras, you can consider this M600. If you want to get more information and also the sample testing, just feel free to contact us. We always welcome your inquiries. So that's all. Thank you.